Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download, install and activate Microsoft 365 on your Mac system for free. In order to enjoy your Microsoft Office apps, you need to register as a Microsoft developer. So just Google Microsoft developer page and from the list of products you can select Microsoft 365. So registering as a Microsoft developer will give you access to download the Microsoft Office 365 apps and also activate it for free. So from there you can just click join Microsoft 365 developer program. To You need to create a Microsoft account in order to become a developer. So just create a new account. I'm using my Gmail account. So now we have the developer page. Actually, this is not where this thing is supposed to lead to. It's supposed to lead to the registration page for the developer program. So if you experience this kind of issue, you just need to go back to the developer page and log in again. So this is not the expected behavior. So just logging back through the developer page. So let's select the products and join. So I will sign with the email that I created earlier. So now we have the registration page. So you can just register and just fill the form as necessary. So you can complete this form by selecting what I selected. Make sure you select what I selected. You need to select configurable sandbox from here. So now you need to create a username and domain name for your developer account. So just enter it. It will generate a username for you. So you need to copy this username and save it, because we are going to need it to be the password to activate your Microsoft 365 apps. Take note of the password. So now this is the Microsoft web page, so you can check the email that you receive. So now from here, just go to subscription. You're going to sign with that email, that your Microsoft email that you used earlier, that you create with the username and domain that you copied earlier. So just enter it and just enter the password and sign with that email. So now you should get to this page where you can download or you have access to the Microsoft 365. You can download here and install. So click install apps and choose the Microsoft 365 apps. So the file size is around, I think, 2.5 gigabytes. You should go to your download folder to see. So I already have the file downloaded already, so I will just install the one I have in the folder, in my download folder, and just double click to open. So you can just follow the setup. So now these are your Microsoft Office apps, the Excel, Word, and the PowerPoint Outlook. So I will open the PowerPoint to activate this. So you are going to use your just sign in and use your developer email that was generated for you and the password. So now you should have your free license. Yes, so your Microsoft Office apps has been activated, so you can start using them. All your other apps, the Excel, the Word, and every other Microsoft 365 that you downloaded earlier must have been activated by now, so you can start using them. So this is just how to download, install, and activate Microsoft 365 on your system. So please like our video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.